Welcome to the Misconceptions of the IT industry. In this episode, I am going to be discussing a topic that's relevant to all of us: how to use your downtime at work wisely. Regardless of what information technology role you have in the tech field, we all have moments during the workday when we're not actively engaged in a task. It's important to make the most of these moments so that you can be more productive, more efficient, and more effective in your job. What is downtime? Downtime refers to periods of free or idle time, often in a work setting, when an individual is not actively engaged in their primary job responsibilities. This time can be used for various purposes, such as taking a break, learning new skills, or completing personal tasks. As an IT professional, downtime can be used to further your knowledge and skills related to the tools and technologies you use in your job. Not using your downtime wisely can have some major consequences, like missed opportunities for advancement. If you do not use your downtime to further your knowledge and skills, you may miss opportunities for advancement within your current role or in your career. Career stagnation. Without investing time in your personal and professional development, you may find yourself falling behind your peers in terms of your knowledge and skills, which can lead to stagnation in your career. Decreased job performance. If you do not use your downtime to stay current with the latest tools and technologies, your performance on the job may suffer, as you may not have the most up-to-date knowledge and skills. Decreased job security. The IT field is highly competitive, and not using your downtime to improve your skills and knowledge can make you more vulnerable to layoffs or job loss. Reduced ability to take on new projects and responsibilities. Keeping up with the latest developments and technologies in the IT field is essential for taking on new projects and responsibilities. If you don't use your downtime wisely, you may find yourself lacking the skills and knowledge required to take on new challenges. Missed opportunities for collaboration and teamwork. Downtime can be an opportunity to collaborate with colleagues, share knowledge and ideas, and build relationships with others in your field. Failing to use it wisely can result in missed opportunities for teamwork and collaboration, which can negatively impact your overall job experience. All of these things I just mentioned can lead to decreased job satisfaction. Therefore, it is important to use your downtime wisely to continue to grow and develop your knowledge and skills, both for personal and professional reasons. Think about your employer's opinion of you if he or she catches you not using your downtime wisely. If your employer catches you not using your downtime wisely, they might develop a negative opinion about you. Your employer may view you as not being fully committed to your role or to the company. This could potentially impact their perception of your value as an employee and could limit your opportunities for advancement. Therefore, it is important to use your downtime wisely and demonstrate to your employer that you are committed to your job and your professional development. It is generally expected that employees use their time effectively, regardless of whether they are actively engaged in their primary job responsibilities or not. Remember, with some managers, you could do 99 things right, but if you make one mistake, they will always remember that one mistake regardless of how many things you did right at the job. Hopefully, you won't have a manager that holds grudges. You don't want to be in a situation where your employer assigns you busy work. This might make them have a bad impression of you. If your employer assigns you busy work during your downtime, it can indicate that they do not see you as being capable of using your time effectively or taking initiative to improve your skills and knowledge. This could lead to a negative impression of you and potentially limit your opportunities for advancement within the company. It is important to communicate with your employer and demonstrate your willingness and ability to take initiative in your own personal and professional development. This can help to establish a positive image of yourself as a self-motivated and dedicated employee who is committed to improving their skills and adding value to the company. Additionally, taking the initiative to use your downtime wisely can also demonstrate your ambition and drive, which could be viewed favorably by your employer and could lead to new opportunities within the company. It's extremely important to use your downtime wisely. When you're not busy with a task, it's easy to get distracted by other things. You might check your social media, read the news, or start a new task that's not as important as the one you're currently working on. All of these activities could take you away from your main task and make it harder for you to focus when you need to. But by using your downtime wisely, you can actually improve your productivity. One way to use your downtime wisely is by planning your day. Before you start working, take a few minutes to write down what you need to accomplish. Break your tasks into smaller chunks and prioritize them. This will help you stay focused on what's important and avoid getting bogged down in less important tasks. Another way to use your downtime wisely is by learning something new. The tech industry is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Use your downtime to read industry blogs, watch online tutorials, or take an online course. Not only will this help you improve your skills, but it will also make you more valuable to your employer. Another way to use your downtime wisely is by taking on additional responsibilities. This can be a great way to build your skills and knowledge, and also to showcase your abilities to your employer. By taking on additional responsibilities, you can demonstrate your willingness to go above and beyond in your job, which can lead to opportunities for advancement. Another way to use your downtime wisely is by working on side projects. The tech industry is all about innovation and experimentation. By working on side projects, you can not only improve your skills and knowledge, but also showcase your abilities to your employer. Another way to use your downtime wisely is by automating repetitive tasks. As IT professionals, we often have to perform the same tasks multiple times. By automating these tasks, you can save time and increase your efficiency. This can be done using scripted software such as Windows Command Prompt Dash files, Windows PowerShell, or by using automation tools like Windows Power Automate. Automating repetitive tasks can also help you to avoid and reduce the risk of human errors. Doing these things can help you to stand out at your job and increase your chances of getting promoted. Finally, you can use your downtime to reflect on your work. Take time to think about what you've accomplished, what you've learned, and what you still need to work on. Reflecting on your work can help you identify areas for improvement and also help you stay motivated and focused. In addition, don't forget to take care of yourself. The tech industry can be demanding, and it's important to take care of your mental and physical health. Set aside downtime to do these things, but also use some of your downtime to exercise, meditate, or take a break from your computer screen. Taking care of yourself will help you stay focused and productive when you're working. In conclusion, using your downtime wisely is essential for success as an IT professional. Regardless of what role you have as an IT professional, we all have moments during the workday when we're not actively engaged in a task. Instead of wasting that time on distractions, it's important to make the most of these moments. By planning your day, learning something new, working on side projects, taking on additional responsibilities, reflecting on your work, automating repetitive tasks, and taking care of yourself, you can be more productive, efficient, and effective at work. Remember, the tech industry is constantly changing, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Keep this in mind and make sure to use your downtime in a way that benefits you in your career. This episode of The Misconceptions of the IT Industry, Using Your Downtime Wisely, has come to an end. Stay tuned for future episodes of The Misconceptions of the IT Industry. Until then, farewell.